All right, I'm going to do a quick setup and demo of the Burpee 72 cell seed starting greenhouse kit. I'm going to set it up, put some seeds in it. I have some tomato seeds, some sugar snap peas, and some mammoth sunflower seeds that I'm going to put in there. We'll set it up, plant it, and kind of keep a track on it as it goes and see how long it takes for these things to germinate and what my success rate is. So it comes with 2 of these watering trays. I'm going to set these to the side. It comes with 2 of these greenhouse plastic domes that we're going to stick on top of them. I'll set these aside as well. Then we have the trays. There's 2 of them. They're stacked on top of each other. Just going to separate them if I can. All right, here we go. And then what I'm going to do is stick 1 in each one of these watering trays. And then they each come with these pellets, so we have 72 to stick in each one of them. Want to make sure they're flat side up. Comes with a stick to help adjust it. Make sure they're facing up. Okay, I just finished putting the coconut coir in here. I'm going to fill it up with water, and that way the stuff will start to expand. And once it's done, I'll go ahead and start putting the seeds in there. Okay, it's been like 15-20 minutes. I let this stuff kind of absorb more water, and it didn't look like it expanded. I gave it a good stir. Some of these are less filled than the others. You can see like how low this one is in comparison to these ones. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some topsoil on top of it. So I'm gonna put some soil on top of it, kind of even them out. I know it's not like a starting mix, but it's just something to test it out, see how it goes. So I accidentally forgot to record myself planting the seeds. So I have the seeds in here and I put the dome on it. They're just here chilling. I put some topsoil because there wasn't enough of the material to fill up the little planter trays. So we'll see how it goes. I'll do an update in a couple of days and see if we get anything that's sprouting. Here's a 3-day update. So I planted this stuff on Tuesday. And today's Friday. You can see we're starting to get some germination here. So it looks like it's working pretty well. The other planter is still taking some time. It's probably just because of the seed type, but you can see some humidity in there. But so far everything's looks to be working. I'll do another update a couple days later. Here's a week update of one of the planters. You could see we got a lot of germination in this one. I'm going to show you the other one, which is under some LED lights right now. Here's the other planter. Everything's going really well. They're starting to get a little leggy because I don't have, any indoor grow lights. They're just in the kitchen underneath the under cabinet lights. So once they get a little bit thicker, I think I'm going to move them outside and see how they do. But they look like they're doing pretty well so far. So this is them about 2 weeks in. I'm realizing that I should have put one set of seeds in each because obviously you could see the difference in sizes between the peas, the sunflowers, the tomatoes, and basil. So I'm gonna have to take these out, put them in the garden now, and then still let these guys do their thing. They're getting really stringy because I've been kind of messing with the lights, like underneath some LEDs in the kitchen, and then also putting them outside, just kind of experimenting. But yeah, so I'm gonna put these in the garden, and I think that's gonna be it for my update on how to set this up. Yeah, some feedback I had was I put too much water in here, so there was some fungus down here at the top of the soil. So some of these didn't germinate. I think it just kind of molded and rotted the seed out. But overall, it worked pretty well. So hopefully I could reuse these after I put these in the garden. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.